In this video, we're going to show you how to organize PDFs in Obsidian. PDF files are commonly used for research papers, ebooks, reports, manuals, study materials, business documents, and reference resources. As your collection grows, keeping these files organized becomes increasingly important for maintaining an efficient and searchable knowledge management system. Many users store PDFs alongside their notes in Obsidian because it allows them to keep source materials, annotations, summaries, and related ideas together in one place. However, without a proper organizational structure, PDF files can quickly become difficult to locate, especially when working with large collections of documents across multiple projects and topics. The good news is that Obsidian provides several tools that make it easy to organize PDFs and connect them to the rest of your knowledge base. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to organize PDFs in Obsidian and create a cleaner, more efficient workflow. So, let's get started. The first step is to create a dedicated folder for your PDF files. This helps separate documents from your regular notes and keeps your vault organized. Depending on your workflow, you may choose to create subfolders for categories such as research papers, books, reports, course materials, or project resources. Next, move your PDF files into the appropriate folders. Using a consistent naming convention can make documents easier to identify and search later. Now, create a note for each important PDF. Within the note, include information such as the document title, author, publication date, subject area, and a brief summary of the contents. Next, add a link to the PDF file from the note. This allows you to quickly open the document whenever you need it. As you review the PDF, record important highlights, key takeaways, quotes, and observations within the associated note. This makes your knowledge more accessible than relying solely on the original document. You can also use tags and properties to categorize PDFs by topic, project, author, status, or research area. For example, you might organize documents under categories such as technology, business, psychology, education, or finance. Another useful practice is linking PDF notes to related concepts, projects, and research notes throughout your vault. These connections help build a richer and more useful knowledge network over time. As your collection grows, continue maintaining a consistent folder structure and note organization system. This will make it much easier to locate documents and retrieve information when needed. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create dedicated folders for storing PDFs. Second, create notes that summarize and organize information from each document. And third, use links, tags, and properties to connect PDFs to the rest of your knowledge base. Remember that organizing PDFs is about more than storing files. It's about making information easy to find, understand, and connect with your existing notes and projects. Using Obsidian to manage PDFs can improve research efficiency, knowledge management, and long-term information retrieval. This is especially useful for students, researchers, professionals, writers, and anyone working with large collections of documents. Taking a little time to organize your PDFs today can save significant time and effort in future projects. And that's how to organize PDFs in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.